when half your family is wiped out in front of your eyes, there could be 10 different directions a person could go. I've chosen one as an actor and as the person who plays Guttu. So and that change and that choice was welcomed by my director, my writer.
well, कुछ ही दिनों में Amazon पे आप देखने वाले हैं सीजन 2 ऑफ मिर्जापुर। जी हाँ दोस्तों, काफ़ी सारे किरदार हैं जो शो से चले गए हैं और काफ़ी सारे ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं जो शो में ऐड हुए हैं, लेकिन एक ऐसे कैरेक्टर हैं जिनको आप देखने वाले हैं दोबारा गुड्डू भैया के किरदार में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रही हूँ अली फजल की, जो कि आज मेरे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं इस फन इंटरेक्टिव चैट सेशन में और करेंगे बहुत सारे राजों का खुलासा और शेयर करेंगे सेट की कुछ खास बातें, शूटिंग की दुनिया की कुछ स्पेशल मेमोरीज एंड ऑल्सो आगे के क्या हैं प्लान्स अली के। तो चलिए करते हैं स्वागत अली फजल का इस फन चैट सेशन में मेरे यानी कि विशाखा पंडित के साथ और देखते हैं कि अली आज के इस चैट सेशन में हमसे करेंगे क्या शेयर।
So अली, पहले तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है टेली चक्कर में आपका। How does it feel? Like, what do I call you? गुड्डू भैया or should I call you Ali? How should I address you?
I don't know, whatever you feel like. It both work, and both I'm sure are coming from a place of love. Some of it.
Indeed. Okay. So कैसा लग रहा है? फैंस कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आपके? जस्ट कुछ दिन के अंदर अंदर उनको आप दोबारा दिखने वाले हैं अपने अवतार में। How excited are you yourself?
I think the audience has really kept us relevant, huh? And I think the last 1.5-2 years, and I'm so grateful that actually because of them I'm now excited. I didn't think it was. I mean, of course, we know season 1 became huge and it was a big hit and all that, and suddenly season 2 is just turning out to be, मतलब ऐसा Godzilla Part 5 कि वो ऐसा मतलब बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, बहुत बड़ा छिपकली। So I don't know. I'm really grateful. Let's see. I think I'm more excited about experiencing the other wonderful actors that we have on board. Yeah.
Okay, Ali, I don't know if you remember, but you and I had a conversation during your Fukre days, और तब मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि अली आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या आपका काम इतना बेहतरीन है कि फैंस आपको इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, हाउ ओवरवेल्म्ड डू यू फील? और आपका जवाब था अभी तो मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है।
Yeah.
And today I would want to ask you that do you still feel the same way कि मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है, or is there a change in the statement today?
I'm sorry. I don't want to sound cynical or complaining, but yes, of course. I mean, I'm very grateful. I've done Mirzapur and I've done 1 or 2 films in the West as well, which have I've really enjoyed as an actor. So I'm really happy. But yes, I have still miles to go, I think. Sorry. And I think I think my hunger is for directors who can scoop more out of me. I think that will be fun. The day it stops happening, I think you will know, and somebody will come forward and tell me, Ali, अब बस हो गया, तुमसे अब आगे नहीं हो पाएगा. So maybe till that time I'll.
Okay, आपकी लाइफ में who is that one person जिसको कहते हैं ना एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट उनसे लेना, एक एप्रिसिएशन उनसे लेना कितना मुश्किल है? Like that one person who is very tough and would be a very tough cookie to crack in case of giving you a very good compliment.
My friends, my college friend, there's Vijay, Alap, these two guys. They're like hard to. They're very hard to. They'll just give it to me straight. Like if there's something bad I've done, it's just straight up bad. There's no sugarcoating. Richa is like that. She's very honest about. I really respect her opinion. Yeah.
And what was their feedback when they saw the Mirzapur 2 ka, trailer promo, and when they have seen your work over the time? What was their feedback for you?
They've said that I've improved a little as an actor.
A little?
Yeah, a little. They're very कंजूस, मतलब मुझे किश्तियों में मिलते हैं compliments. So yeah, I think they really gun for me. I mean, to be honest, and they want me to kind of. Because also we all not grew up, but like, of course, since college, like we were the kind of gang that we've been exposed to world cinema, right? So we've watched a lot of films and from all across the globe, Indian cinema, French, matlab aisa, Hollywood, world cinema, all of it. So I think somewhere, we're all looking to be able to bridge that in many ways. So there's always higher to go.
Okay, without revealing a lot of details about, season 2, because we know you want to keep that excitement factor intact, what is different in season 1 से season 2 में गुड्डू भैया में अलग क्या देखने को मिलने वाला है हमें?
I mean, the look is a little different. He's got crutches, for God's sakes. I mean, उससे ज़्यादा क्या अलग चाहिए? No, there's I think a sense of maturity, I suppose. I've said this before also that when half your family is wiped out in front of your eyes, there could be 10 different directions a person could go. I've chosen one as an actor and as the person who plays Guddu. So and that change and that choice was welcomed by my director, my writer, whose opinions I really basically their opinions matter. So yeah, let's see. हमने साथ में किया है, मिलके किया है. मतलब कल को अगर किसी को पसंद ना आए तो the blame is not just on me, it's on my director and my writer. So yeah.
Okay, तो season 1 से season 2 में एक बहुत बड़ा change है. कुछ characters हैं जो नहीं हैं आपके साथ अभी, but will you be missing them, Bablu and Sweetie in season 2?
I did. I missed them a lot during shoot. A lot. We would be on those sets shooting, and I remember calling both of them at different times sometimes to just be like, yeah, I'm really missing. Because एक तो with Vikrant it used to be थोड़ा बोझ हल्का हो जाता था acting का, तो कि वो अपन साथ में, तो अभी क्या है ना कि I just I mean, I'm very happy Shweta was sort of joined the wagon, and it's been a nice duet with her, and very interesting actually relationship that they share. So looking forward to that.
Okay, so अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि आपके खुद के किरदार में कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी जो आपको बेहद पसंद है, जो आप चाहते हैं कि that you want to have an ounce of it in yourself in your real life, वो क्या होगी?
I mean, okay, there's got to be an ounce of what I'm about to tell you in my real life for me to have used it in my character, right? Now I'll tell you what I like about the character is that he's a charming romantic, despite him being crass and gundaish and whatever. I think there's मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ. No, but I mean, I think I really enjoy that part of Guddu, that innocence and honesty when it comes to is loving somebody. I think that's beautiful.
Okay, so I will give you a handful of character names और आप मुझे बताइएगा कि उनके character में as individuals, as on-screen actors, आपको क्या पसंद आया? So the first one is कलीन भैया. उनके character में आपको क्या पसंद आया और real life how he is, उनमें आपको क्या पसंद है?
उनके character में मुझे उनका पोकर फेस बहुत पसंद आता है.
Okay.
उनकी रियल लाइफ में उनका वही फेस जो है हर चीज बक देता है. मतलब वो बिल्कुल ही खुले हैं आदमी, मतलब इतना मस्त आदमी और इतना person with stories from like all over the world. I think he's genius.
Okay, मुन्ना भैया, उनके कैरेक्टर में और रियल लाइफ as in a person, what do you like about him?
Character, I really love that he's what I call enjoy. Munna is enjoy. Okay. Devendu is fun to another level. He is मतलब अगर सेट पे हंसी मजाक हो रहा है तो उसके इर्द गिर्द हो रहा है. He's like, I just wait for his one-liners. That's all. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Last वाले रमाकांत पंडित, उनके character and उनके real life, as a person, what do you like the most?
As a character, he's of course the hard, very the father and all that, and he's of course a great actor. As the person, I love how goofy he is, because I remember season 2 there was a scene where it's a very serious scene. He has to come and he has to say a dialogue. और राजेश सर को मतलब बिल्कुल रट ही नहीं रहा था डायलॉग. वो मतलब वैसा कुछ 10 टेक लगे उनको, सिर्फ एक forgetful बहुत है. So I think that's really endearing. I don't know, something.
It seems while you're talking to me, you have this reel going back in your head, and they're just taking you back on the set, and you're just remembering everything that happened there.
Yeah. It's fun, man. You should be on a Mirzapur set to experience the madness that goes on. It's hilarious sometimes if you could just step out and watch it.
That what is that one quality about yourself that you got to know about, you explored about in the lockdown time, and the second thing कि अपनी एक ऐसी quality जो आपको पसंद नहीं है and you're trying really hard to get rid of it.
One I explored was writing stories. I thought that was something I thought I'll learn, and I'm learning. And I mean, I wrote like 2-3 scripts, so I'm really excited. One thing I'm trying to quit is just I have a sweet tooth, yeah. I need to. I think half the country has. You have. So I think we've all been diseased with that plague during the pandemic. I think, so trying to get rid of that.
What do you have to tell to your fans, Ali? Because they are super excited not only for season 2 but for season 3, and they are expecting season 4 भी pipeline में already है. Imagine. So what do you have to tell them?
Well, I'll tell them, be patient right now. You're finally getting what you want. So be happy and enjoy that. Don't just binge watch it in one night. Please, आराम से देखिए. And we have some good, interesting surprises for you this time. And season 3, season 4 का अभी बात नहीं करेंगे. मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैं हूँ कि नहीं in that. So.
Thank you so much, Ali, and good luck for the future endeavors. And it was a pleasure having you with us.
Likewise.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this fun chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit. I really hope कि आप लोगों को अली फजल से मिलकर, उनसे बातें करके, उनके बारे में और जानकर अच्छा लगा होगा. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. आप जरूर stay tuned रहिएगा टेली चक्कर को, because आप लोगों के लिए हम लेकर आएंगे काफी सारे fun segments and बहुत सारी ताज़ा खबरें.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.